Hey y'all, Miss House here with Kindergarten in the Cove. I'm back with a new game. You can practice lots of different skills with this game and also cool off in the summer heat. You just need a couple materials. The first thing you'll need is 3 buckets or 3 bowls and water balloons, or I went to the dollar store and I found some splash bombs. That way I could keep playing this game over and over again. And you need some index cards. On these index cards, I have the letters. So letters of the alphabet, uppercase and lowercase. I also have some cards that have different directions on them. So the game is called Splish, Splash, Run. So if you get your card, you flip your card over, you say the letter of your card. So this one is F. You could also have your child say the sound. If they're practicing it, you could also have them say a word that starts with whatever letter they pick up. If they get the letter correct, they get to take a splash bomb or a water balloon and put it into their bowl. If they get the Splish Splash card, then you get to take a splash bomb or water balloon from the other player's bowl. Once you get to the Run card, you need to pick up your bowl or bucket of water balloons or splash bombs and take off running and have a water balloon fight in the yard. So again, you flip it over, you can use letters, you could use sight words, you could use numbers and addition and subtraction problems. That's up to you. But Splish Splash means you take one from your partner, and Run means the game really starts. Alright guys, here is a math version of Splish Splash Run, and for this game I have a deck of playing cards, and I just took a piece of paper, drew a circle on it, divided it up with more, less, greater, less, and I need a pencil and a paper clip for my spinner. So what you do is kind of like the game War, where you divide up the cards amongst the 2 players or however many people are playing, and then you would take out the face cards and either put the pictures of Run and Splish Splash on the cards, or just make the rule of, you know, all the jacks are the Splish Splash cards and the Joker is the Run card. So that would be up to you. Now each time you flip, you and your partner flip over to your 2 cards. You flip over your 2 cards, then you would need to spin your spinner to decide who's going to keep the cards and who's going to get the water balloon or splash bomb. So I just use my pencil to hold down my paper clip. Oh, it kind of landed on the line. We'll spin again. Ooh, so whoever had the more card gets both cards, and you get to put a splash bomb in your bucket. Again, if you've decided that the Run card is Joker, when the Joker card comes up, then you need to take your bucket of splash bombs or water balloons and take off running and have your water balloon fight. All right, we're gonna play Splish Splash Run with letter names and sounds. A,
D, duh.
M,
Splish Splash, I get to steal a ball.
R,
Splish Splash, I get to steal another ball.
F,
S,
E, A,
Splish Splash, steal another ball.
T,
Run, water balloon fight.
Hope you enjoyed our game. Let us know how it goes. Make sure you tag us and share with your friends.